Good morning, my dear friends and my dear students, and this is all about attitude. What do you mean by attitude? We know about attitude. Don't do like this. People may say something like that, and they say that this is not the right attitude and this is the wrong attitude. Yeah, of course. Why people say like that? Do you know that? Yeah, they say that behave properly. That is not a good behavior. So change your attitude. Everyone says like that. So, do I need to have a positive attitude or do I need to have a negative attitude? Negative attitude kills your personality, whereas if you take the positive attitude, it builds heavily on your character and your behavior and how do you see things outside. Yeah, of course. So your attitude is the important one. You need to have this one. It's like the another intelligent guy that is hiding within you, right? Yeah, attitude shows you the right path. So positive attitude shows you the double right path. And so of course you need to have this attitude. It should be inborn in your mind. It should come out like with good character. People should say that this man is really nice. He is having a positive attitude. Yeah, of course you should behave like that, or otherwise they will say that be aware of this fellow, he's a bad guy, he's having almost all negative attitudes, he is not having good attitudes, of course, and so beware of that fellow. So you want to be a different guy, but at the same time you should have the right attitude. See here, the first person's name is Mr. Ram, the second person's name is Mr. Sam. These persons, they are going for the interview, and the post is all about minister post. And now the king is giving the announcement. These two guys, they have to go for the boat race, and he will test their capacity just by who is going to win the boat race. So these two guys are so totally nervous, and now they are undergoing the boat race and they have to cross a huge sea. Likewise, they are crossing the huge sea. At that time, while they are riding the boat, there is a blockade, and they don't know what is hiding their path or blocking their path. And now, Mr. Sam says, "Oh my goodness, what is this? It's stopping my pathway, it's blocking my pathway. I need to identify what is that." And Mr. Ram says, yeah, of course, something is blocking our pathway. Probably it may be a crocodile or a dolphin or something like that. And he is talking like that nearly for an hour without taking any decisions or actions. And now Mr. Sham is ready to see what is there underneath the sea. He dives and see that's only 10 bags of stones, and now he throws all the bags out and the path is clear. And now these two guys, they can cross the huge sea by in an easiest way, right? It's a wonderful thing, right? And now the king asks a question to Ram first. Ram, what do you have inside that boat race? What happens when you cross your boat? And Mr. Ram says, I never do anything special. I just stay there in the boat. Only Mr. Sham gets in and dives in and sees what's hiding their pathway. After hearing this, the king says, yeah, I can see the minister now, and that is none other than Mr. Sham. That is not Mr. Ram, Why he selects Sam, do you understand? Because of his attitude. His attitude is going forward and checking what is the blockade. Likewise, if you have the positive attitude and if you are the person who can take the actions, then you'll be selected in all the cases like this. Yes or no, my dear friends? Now see, this father is advising daily to the little boy. Don't be angry. Be happy with your friends. But the small boy is not interested to hear all the advices of his father, and he says, Father, leave me alone. I want to be happy. I want to fight with my friends. That's my right. Do you understand, my dear father? He's telling. But father says, my dear little boy, you should know certain attitude level. Yeah, this anger is the negative attitude. You're having the bad attitude. Don't ever have that attitude, my dear little boy. But the little boy says, no, father, it's not a very big fault. Do you know that? It's only a small mistake. Just leave it, my dear father. But father says, I'll show you one small example of it. Just come with me. And then he shows a bundle of sticks and a small stick. Yeah, now he says, see, look at that. There is only one stick in one side. The other side you're having bundle of sticks. Now, my dear little boy, you are like that single stick. You'll be broken away when you don't have your friends by your side. And that shows your negative attitude. But when you're bundled up with your friends, with love and affection, no one can break the bundle of sticks. Now, you're so strong when you have this positive attitude, my dear little boy. So, please be aware that it's so important to have the positive attitude. Be happy, be calm, enjoy the day, right? And then the little boy says, yeah, my dear father, hereafter I'll be very happy with my friends. And now the next one is about a Swamiji. He is giving some advices to his disciples. The first one is, be calm, be useful to the society. And then the last one is, don't have desire towards others' belongings. Always these three things he used to say to his little disciples. But the disciples are very eager to hear all these advices of the Swamiji. And one day, Swamiji crosses Black Plum and he likes to taste the delicious fruit. And now he don't have money. He stops thereby. He cuts a tree and he sells the wood. And then he gets money out of it and he buys this black plum, which is so tasty and delicious. And at that time, when he is about to taste that fruit, he remembers one advice that he used to say to his disciples all the time, right? That is that you should not have the desire towards others' belongings. So immediately he says to himself, yeah, it's a bad thing. I tell many things to my disciples, but do I follow that first? As a master, I never follow it. Then how I can tell these things to my little disciples? So hereafter, I should not have this desire. Let it be like this. I'll give this fruit to some small disciple and then let me take rest. I should not eat this black plum. That's a negative attitude. That's going beyond desire, right? Let me stop thinking of tasting the black plum. That's a bad idea, right? And he stops thereby and he fixes in mind that hereafter I should not do like that. Yeah, it's a good thing. Meaning for attitude, manner, disposition, feeling, position, with regard to a person or thing, tendency or orientation, especially of the mind. These are the different layers of meaning for the word attitude. And at last, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. So, your reaction, your action, your decision, that stands attitude. And so, please be aware of your attitude, my dear friends. Most probably, try to have positive attitude instead of the negative attitude. And God bless you all. Thank you, my dear friends and my dear students, and bye.